Good evening. Cup of coffee trade review. It's your boy Cedric God said Heyman, MrFortunateFocus.com. So this is just a quick look at the trade that we had going on this morning. As you can see, it was a TQQ trade. We ended up making about 375 an hour. Cashed out on 3 of the contracts. They ended up being about $100 more when we cashed out, but left 2 in. But I wanted to go more to the setup. These are my signals that I use. You see VIX, TQQ, NVIDIA, Russell, XRP, oil, the dollar, the yield, gold, etc. All these have different correlations. If one thing moves up, normally something goes down. So these are all just different indices and just different things that I like to track. The night before I trade, I normally look at NQ. This is the night before, just to get a feel of what was going on in the market. This is the day before, made an all-time high, dropped, started working its way back up before the morning session. So when the morning session came, I kind of had a bullish tendencies, which meant I was gonna check TQQ, which went up, dropped down overnight. If it stayed down, then I was gonna try to catch a call, play bullish, and wait for it to rise up. So what ended up happening, it started retracing a little bit. Was talking to my group chat. We talked about the importance of waiting 15 minutes so the market could reveal itself. First 10-15 minutes, it dropped. You see a green candle, then you also see right here this red candle with this long red rejection wick, which means the sellers ended up losing control and buyers stepped in. Now you're going to see a confirmation counter right here. I ended up entering somewhere about right here with my contracts, and you see I have my 85 calls. It went up, rode it all the way to resistance, cashed out right here. I knew there was a chance that I might miss some money. I cashed out on 3 of my calls and left 2 in that I have further dated out about 3 weeks in advance. It worked its way back up to 87, and again I knew I might miss a little bit money, but risk and capital preservation, I wanted to just, 1 in the hand is better than 2 in the bushel. It goes, it rides down, you see it tested 87 multiple times, broke out, and by the end of the day shot all the way up to 87.68, and here we are right now overnight. And here are the futures overnight right now. So left money on the table, yes, but the goal is not to get all of the move. The goal is to get just what's meant for you. A lot of times trying to capture the whole move, you'll end up with nothing. And then once again, I still have a couple trades, as you can see, that are still in here about 3 weeks out, so I'll still be able to capture the rest of the move tomorrow if it continues to go up. So possibilities, it could go up to 88, keep going, or it could reject, come back down and retrace. If it comes back down, I'll probably get in for the low, ride it back out. If it goes back up, I'll wait for it to bust through 88, wait for it to get acceptance, and I might end up getting back in, or I might wait until there's some rejection and retracement, since I have these other calls in at 85. So it's about 11 o'clock at night. That's a little bit about my evening prep. Let's take a look at oil also while we're up. And you see oil, even for tonight, it re-topped up to the high. It's going down a little bit. We'll see what it does by the morning. But if we're looking at the overall structure of oil, you see it's still pretty low. So the market's not really panicking. AI has been pretty strong. One thing that's crazy is you look at XRP. I haven't seen it down this low. They said Iran sold like $8 billion in crypto or something like that. So I wonder if this has something to do with it. We're not going to speculate, but I've never seen XRP this low. Well, not never, but it's been a while. 10-year bonds yields. See, they're at a decent level. So tomorrow we're leaning more bullish, but we're gonna play smart because there's still 3 days in the week, and we're up about $1,000 just 2 days into the month. So we definitely want to protect all of our capital. So more videos to come soon. Shout out to the Money Tree, Jeff Skane, Cali, Sharp, Fortune and Focus, all the traders in the Bay, E, Snoop, everybody, man. We got some more for y'all later.